Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a question that came from a user that has glitches with his Windows Security app. And there's a way to actually repair or reset the security app if you have issues. And so if anything's wrong, anything doesn't work right, first of all, just make sure you don't have a third-party antivirus installed. They don't work well together. Usually one will take the place of the other. So if you have, any other antivirus than Windows Security, don't mind the Windows Security app. It's normal that it might actually show that it's not working because it might not be the default security. But if you only use this and it has glitches and something's just not right in one of the systems and you just can't seem to fix, or it just doesn't seem to want to run or work well, here's where you can fix it. You go to your security. So you go to your settings app. In the settings app, you will click on the system tab on the left side. You will go down and you'll see that there's an option that's called System Components. This is a new tab that's coming in Windows 23 H2 and will even have more features in 24 H2. And here, you will see that Windows Security is part of one of the options. Click on the three dots on the right screen and Advanced Options. Here, you will see there's a Terminate button. You can do is terminate it, then click a Repair. Then restart your PC, see if it works well. And if it doesn't, you can click Terminate, and then you could click a Reset, which will reset all of its options, and then do a restart once again. And hopefully, one of these two options in the Windows Settings app will fix your Windows Security app and make it working right again. So this is something that you can try in Windows 11, and hopefully you will have a good working Windows system security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.